Hello, welcome back to my channel. I know this is different, but don't turn it off yet. Let me introduce myself real quick. My name is Luna, and this is my channel, Lalu Nails. I've been doing my nails for over a little bit 2 years now, and I put the contents as ASMR video on YouTube. Today I have very great news to share with you guys that I am Sweet Nail Supply brand ambassador. And this is the PR package. Let's see what's inside. First thing I get from this box is Sarah Friends Almond Nail Tips. Three basic gel from Doi and 6 colors of Moon collection. Three chrome powder from Blanc. 5 Sweet Nail Supply brushes. Number 1 and number 2 for liner. Number 3 is oval. Number 4 is shake. And number 5 petal. This is a new collection from Show Me Korea Twinkle Pendant. In this box has a Sarah glitter gels. Next I have 6 colors Moon collection from Doi. If you are looking for a HEMA-free or vegan gel, Doi is really good choice. Moon collection is special. As soon as you put it on, it will start bubbling. That is giving you a mood effect. I'm thinking about use this gel as ocean sea foam. Probably turn out really cool. let's watching these pretty gorgeous sparkling syrup glitter gels from Chomi Korea Twinkle Pendant. This collection has gold glitter in there, but if you shape them a little bit different angle, you can see a green glitter inside there too. That is for today. Thank you so much guys for watching me, for supporting me until I get to this day. Thank you so much. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me so we can see each other in the next video. Thank you so much. See you next time.